enough. You're not going to sink too bad. But
will it go backwards?
Can we just appreciate Bobby's luggage here? If that was smaller, it just looks like you have a severed head.
Maybe that's what it is. Maybe I'm just sleeping on top of a severed head.
That'd be kind of cool. This guy's Crocs, though. Strapped to his back. How do you reuse that?
You don't. If it gets wet on the way home, I don't care.
You know a dry bag was 50 bucks, right?
This was free. Well, he didn't fall over. Got more fireworks. Every bike week, gotta get the fireworks in. That's somebody's van going off. That ain't even a firework display. Somebody just smoking a cigarette in the wrong spot. Morning. Is that a wrap for day 2?
Oh no, there's plenty of hours left in the day. Do a quick iron butt.
Okay. I live here, so we're just going to be back up tomorrow. Where's Freebie goes? You're going to
Take a few. There we go.
So we started, when you started this thing, we did a ride 1K for 1K. We did an iron butt.
Let's see what she thinks of the ride. Watch out for them straps, kid. I got a brain freeze. Okay? You good?
Bobby, thanks for coming, man.
Big follower.
Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Watching your stuff this morning.
Thank you.
I bought my first pro bike because of your video. First black one.
Oh, no kidding.
Oh yeah.
I saw your iron butt video. This thing, something else. Holy crap. 3 deep. Riwaco. That was a freaking riot. Oh my god.
Bike reviews, trips, vlogs, parts installed.
How are the eggs?
Try them.
I don't want to.
You gotta try them.
I don't want to try the eggs. I'm driving.
Beef stroganoff is good.
How are the eggs, Graham?
The eggs?
Yeah.
Oh, they're good. Try them.
I don't want to.
Just try the eggs.
Let me get a
please.
peek. Let me see. It looks like eggs. It kind of looks like packing peanuts.
It tastes like a campfire. Why is it so smoky?
I don't know, man.
That is weird.
I didn't make the damn thing.
Well, you did. I just watched you.
No, I didn't. You know what I
It
mean?
needs cheese and salt.
Maybe that's what it is.
Salt.
This though. Stroganoff. Isn't beef stroganoff German?
Who you stroking off?
What's up, amigos? Welcome to our Americade vlogging, biking, riding trip.
Americade 2023. Just in case there's no confusion, you know. So,
Basically, should say the grander with less words.
I'm going home.
Why? You can't go home. We got bikes to ride, boys.
Gonna be a beautiful day. Maybe some thunderstorms.
Maybe some thunderstorms and rain, but it'll be a beautiful day.
Quick tornado, maybe, but
We're going up to Americade. We like to go there to do the bike demos because honestly, around us, they're the best for even beat Laconia for demo wise.
yeah, there's more stuff.
They got every. That's it. What's the matter? I can't close the tent. What am I gonna do? Sleep with your feet out the door. Or one of them bug nets.
Oh, wait a minute.
Well, they're off.
Hey, buddy.
Is there also ride share? That's 1250 was another one's ride.